If you are going to make fried rice for more than 10 person, please wash this.
Yeah, I add some African meat, as my children will call it. Why they call things African meat is because there's, isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Okay, rice is finished fried. What did you say it's called?
Fly rice.
Fly light. I'm going to show you the easiest way to make fried rice. Now there's light outside. Move all your filmings outside. Social media people, go outside. I have a rice cooker here. I have some rice here. I'm going to show you what I do to get a bang. Good fried rice every time. So this is the cheating method from what our parents in Africa always do. Okay. So in your rice cooker, you measure 1, 2, 3.
My measurement is 6 cup of rice and 6 cup of water. You can replace some of the liquid with stock, that's chicken or beef stock. Just make sure your water come above the rice and do not cook the rice as your normal white rice.
2 cup of chicken stock with a little bit of curry powder in it. You can cook it like that, and then after you can fry it together with your vegetable. You're going to have super easy, delicious fried rice for a very, very short time. So let's go and wash this bad boy and cook it.
Now our rice is clean, well rinsed. These are the spices I'm going to add in this fried rice. I have some curry powder, some ghee from Africa, and some rosemary. I think this is the best time to add in the spices. That way you do not end up overstirring your rice while you're frying it. You can add in some curry powder later if you want. Mix the curry powder and the beef stock together in the rice. Make sure the powder is all dissolved.
If you have any question, please comment below. I will be willing to help you. See, I'm stirring my rice, very demure, very mindful. Okay guys, in this video I just want to be super sincere. This is the first price vegetable mix, which is a mixture of corn, carrot, peas, all the things that you need for your fried rice is inside of here. So I'm going to open this now, and then I'm going to fry it in this pot right there. This one, the oil is hot enough. It's frozen, so you have to be careful. You see, it's frozen. Sorry guys. Guys, you have to remember, I have a stock, a beef stock. In that beef stock, I have a lot of spices. I added 2 cups of beef stock in my rice. So you have to be careful with your spices and calculate how you are going to put them in the mixture. So this looks good. I think it's kind of small because I like to have a lot of stuff like this in my rice. So I'm just going to fill it all. It's 1 bag. If it's too much, I can keep it in the fridge and use it for something else. Now I just dry the water from this my frozen vegetable. It's looking good. I add a little bit of black pepper. Curry is a problem. I can see in the rice that the curry is not giving curry like. So I add some curry and I add some seasoning. Make sure you press it very well because you don't want it in your food. And then we go in with 2 teaspoons of salt. That is a whole spoon. And we mix. Now you're actually frying the vegetable. Don't worry about the sea sauce. It will disappear. Add some African meat, as my children will call it. Why they call things African meat is because there's fat in it and everything, and I like it that way. When they are eating food, they are busy removing all the fat on it. See, this is ready for the rice. So this is what we have been trying. It smells heaven. The water is dry, my vegetable is fried, I added meat, I added a lot of vegetables. I am going to reduce it and I will add in my rice in smaller portion. I prefer it that way, but if you're being lazy and you just want to do things quick, just put the whole rice here and mix it. It's going to be good so far as your rice is not soggy. Take out my things and put them here. Now it's time to fry a little bit, so I think this is okay. Put some rice there. Oh my god, look at that beautiful rice, huh? Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. I think that is a very good portion. We fry like this, and you keep frying and eyeballing to see what you think is good for you. Nobody should tell you how you should make your fried rice, how much vegetable you should have on it. No. Do best, Michelle.
This rice is supposed to be fried on high heat, and as for my vegetable, I cooked them. I think they taste funny when they are frozen and they are not well cooked. I don't like uncooked vegetable in my fried rice.
What do you think about these guys? Do you want a little bit more vegetable? You add it. You have more than enough vegetable here. More than enough. So, okay, rice is finished fried. What did you say it's called?
Fly rice.
Fly rice is finished fried. Sorry guys, we have to joke sometimes. And then we go to our beautiful baby there and put it. Best fly rice ever.
Fly rice.
If you have some fried chicken, you can have it by the side. But these fly rice have been cooked with beef stock. So if you put anything else in this fly rice, it's because you have langa. And langa is no good to. So, and just like that, ladies and gentlemen, our fried rice is finished. I have made a bowl and piece of fried rice. So take this a little bit here and a little bit here. And ladies and gentlemen, that is how you make super easy, delicious party fried rice. I think I'm going to take it outside and show you so you can see the wonders of Mandine's hand. This is not the most delicious fried rice. What is? I've managed to make 2 of these, and it took me less than an hour totally. See? Come and eat.
And guys, I'm telling you the truth, nothing but the truth. This will save you a lot of time. If you are having a small party or a big party, please just use this method and you will thank me later. Anyway, thank you very much guys for watching, and have a beautiful day.
Simple,
bye guys.
Delicious fried rice.